All right, so those last two moves we taught you make for a really fun combo. Let's walk you through that. Since they both start the same way and they both end very similarly, where the tunnel ends, you can start the chicken wing, or it's also called the egg beater. It goes by both names, whichever you prefer. So, butterfly, slide down, shake, upside down handshake on top, pull with your right hand, spin her once. Gentleman goes under, hand goes behind the back, right back to here. Now this is where you can start either move. Remember, you can duck and go under and do the chicken wing or egg beater, or you can take your right hand and go back. So let's start with the tunnel. I'm going to take my right hand, put it behind me. She's going to dive through, come back out, put both hands, wrists together, bend down, come back up, and right here, I'm right back to where I started. So right here, I can go straight to the chicken wing, or I can do the tunnel again. I am going to do the tunnel again because I want you to see what it looks like if you do it fast. You spin under, and then you go right back under into the chicken wing right there, and you come back up, and then she does the chicken wing. Now right here, as I'm doing the chicken wing again, I can actually, instead of doing the chicken wing, go back to the tunnel. So I want to walk you through that nice and slow one more time. I take my right hand, put it behind me. Actually, let's start from the top in case you got lost there. Quick butterfly, slide down, shake, upside down handshake, spin her once, gentleman goes under, left hand stays down, comes behind the back, right elbow comes back, right hand comes back, she dives through, comes back out the other side, wrists together. Now remember, we're going straight to the egg beater after this. Bend down, stand up. As I'm turning and I face her, right there's where I started. I'm going right back into the egg beater right there. Then she can do the egg beater. Then I can do the egg beater again. She can do it again, and right here, I'm going to switch it back and go right back into the tunnel. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go right back to the egg beater again, back to back. So play around with that. You can have a lot of fun mixing those two moves together. Makes for a really cool combo. It looks really good as well, so get out there and try that one.